In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira for compliance and audit trail requirements. Jira can be a very practical tool for managing compliance work because it helps you organize tasks, document approvals, and maintain a clear history of what happened, when it happened, and who handled it. The goal is to make your process easier to manage while also creating records you can rely on during audits or internal reviews. To get started, log into Jira and create a dedicated project for compliance activities. Go to Projects, then Create Project, and choose a template that fits the kind of work your team does. Jira Work Management is a solid option for general compliance tracking, while Jira Service Management can work well if your process involves requests, approvals, or service-style workflows. Setting up a separate project helps keep compliance-related work centralized and easier to monitor. Once the project is ready, begin creating the compliance tasks you need to track. Click Create and add issues for things like audit requests, policy reviews, risk assessments, security checks, and remediation tasks. As you create each issue, include the key details that make the task actionable and auditable. That includes the owner, due date, priority, and any required evidence. The more complete the issue is from the beginning, the easier it will be to review later. Next, configure the workflow for your compliance process. In project settings, go to Workflows and create stages that reflect how work moves through review and approval. A simple structure could include open, under review, pending approval, approved, and completed. This is important because each transition becomes part of the record, helping you show that work followed a defined process. To support audit trail requirements, open any Jira issue and review the activity section. This area shows status changes, field updates, comments, and assignee changes. In practice, this gives you a built-in record of actions taken over time, which is extremely useful when you need evidence of review, approval, or follow-up. Permissions also matter. In project settings, open permissions and limit access based on user roles. Decide who can create issues, edit information, approve changes, or delete issues. Keeping permissions controlled helps protect the integrity of compliance records. For documentation, attach files directly to Jira issues and link supporting material from Confluence when needed. This is a good place to store audit reports, approval records, security documents, and other compliance evidence so everything stays tied to the relevant task. You can also automate routine steps. In project settings, go to Automation and create rules to send approval reminders, assign review tasks, update statuses, and notify the compliance team. Automation reduces manual follow-up and helps maintain consistency. Finally, create a compliance dashboard from the Dashboards menu. Add gadgets that track open audit tasks, pending approvals, risk items, and completed reviews. A dashboard gives you a quick visual summary of compliance activity and makes ongoing oversight much easier.